How to delete Threads account. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. And on today's video, we will learn how we can delete Threads account. So without further delay, let's get started. For that, you have to open up Threads in your device and make sure that you're signed into your account. From your home page, navigate to your profile icon at the bottom right. And once you're here, tap on the two-line icon at the top right. Under your settings, now you have to tap on account. Now there's an option as deactivate or delete profile, tap on it. And here you have to tap on delete profile. Now to delete your profile, you have to log in into your account. So you have to enter your password, that is your Instagram password. And once you're done with that, tap on delete Threads profile. After that, your account will be deactivated for 30 days. So make sure that you do not relog in within the 30 days, and after 30 days your account will be permanently deleted. But in case if you log in within 30 days, then your account will be reactivated, so the account will not get deleted. For that, you have to make sure that you do not log in your account until 30 days, and after 30 days it will be deleted permanently and you won't be able to recover it. That's it. That's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.